Now we are going to test our independent smoke detector. Here is the smoke tester. Spray the tester. The detector alarm in seconds. Here is the silence button. Press the button. The detector will in hush state.